I want to hear how this works out because not a lot of people are willing to actually like completely change their college schedule because it's scary, right? Not what everyone else is doing. So
Yeah, yeah.
I'd love to hear just okay, so you had that full year, then you stacked it with that other internship. So now your resume is filling out a little bit and you're going into kind of now the beginning of your senior year, but recruiting's already passed, right? You're like middle the way through the year, kind of what would it be? It would be like the winter. But I guess tell me how you kind of thought through that whole process of like, hey, I'm going to delay for one semester. Did you feel like you might miss a window?
Well, no. So I guess when this happened, right, it was, I guess, junior year, spring semester is when I started, right? So by the summer, I had about 6 months of, an investment banking internship, right? And then I did that throughout the summer. And then when fall hit, right, that's kind of when recruiting starts, I guess.
Yep.
But during then, at least, 5 years ago, recruiting extended several months, right? I mean, even up till November, December.
Yeah.
And so during the first semester, right, that fall semester, I was working both jobs. And during, while I was working, I guess, during my internship at the SEC is when I started interviewing.